Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. So finally Nifty comes down till near 15,000. So for now, above 15,250 it will try for 15,500 to 700 zone. Otherwise, below 15,000 it will move for 14,600 to 800 for reversal again. Let's come to Nifty chart. Major support for Nifty that 14,800 and above 15,000 it will try for 15,500 once, or with support of 14,800 above 15,000 Nifty will try for 15,250 to 500 zone first, then it will go for 15,500 to 700 zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near 35,500 again. So above 35,500 to 800 zone, it will try for further up move till 37,500. Otherwise, below 35,200, it will reverse from 34,800. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Above 35,500 to 800, Bank Nifty will try for 36,200 plus zone. Otherwise, below 35,200, it will reverse from 34,800 again. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's our. For Nifty future, there were crucial resistance for Nifty future that 15,389. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances. That's our 15,129 and 15,265. There have a crucial support for Nifty future also, that 14,765. To achieve this support, there are two reversal supports, that's our 14,965 and 14,889. There have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future also, that 36,200. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances, that's our 35,800 and 36,000. There have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also, that 34,800. To achieve this support, there are two reversal supports, that's our 35,289 and 35,000. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustained above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustained below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Aarti Industry, that LTP is 1283, its upper range is 1350 and lower range is 1225. So if it sustained above its midpoint, that 1275 with increases volume, then most likely it will try for its upper range or upper resistance or higher resistance, that 1350. Same as if it sustained below its midpoint, that 1275 with increases volume, then most likely it will try to reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 1225, and when it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support, then midpoint act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Star mark stocks are more important for intraday trading. Aarti Industry, that LTP is 1283. Kotak Bank, that LTP is 1935. MGL, that LTP is 1208. Reliance, that LTP is 2137. Bajaj Finance, that LTP is 5557. Power Grid, that LTP is 220. Tata Consumer, that LTP is 615. Bharti Airtel, that LTP is 524. Torrent Pharma, that LTP is 2461. Tata Steel, that LTP is 719. Alkem, that LTP is 2773. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. If you have any kind of query about my channel, you can mail me on my mail ID, that trade.mathematics@gmail.com is my mail ID. Or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given below in video description. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you viewer. Thank you very much.